Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth Buick Encore. Start by putting the car in park and powering the infotainment screen. Next, open Settings, tap Phone or Bluetooth, and choose Add Device or Pair New Device to begin. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and select the vehicle name when it appears. Confirm the passkey matches on both screens, accept any prompts, and wait for the confirmation tone before testing audio and calls. I will guide you through pairing step by step for a smooth connection. Begin by selecting Add Device on the Buick Encore display and wait for the name to appear on your phone. Tap the vehicle name, verify the passkey matches on both screens, and accept the pairing request. Grant permission to sync contacts and messages if you use hands-free calling. Finish by testing audio playback and a quick call to ensure everything works reliably. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which makes hands-free music and voice commands easy while you prep for a drive in your Buick Encore. It's a handy little boost for home prep before hitting the road. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll explain common fixes when Bluetooth misbehaves in your Buick Encore. If pairing fails, remove old devices from both the phone and car lists and retry pairing. A quick restart of your phone and the infotainment system often clears temporary glitches. If problems persist, check for software updates on your phone and vehicle, and try pairing with another phone to isolate the issue before visiting a dealer for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.